Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm going to show you how to manage gestures on RAZER Seiren V3 Mini microphone. To do that, you should have RAZER Synapse application installed on your device. So open it. And then find your streaming. Afterwards, here in streaming you will see your microphone. If you don't have this microphone here, so just disconnect your microphone from your device and connect it again, and you will see this streaming button, and you will be able to manage settings here. Okay, so here, as you can see, we have mute button settings, and we can set up the double tap and triple tap. Of course, if you will just tap, you will mute or unmute your microphone, but you can use it like double tap and triple tap. And here you can set up the function for double tap and the function for triple tap. For example, by default, when I'll double tap, it will increase the microphone volume. When I'll triple tap, it will decrease the microphone input volume. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.